Morning. It is 10:15 a.m., November the 1st, 2018, here in Hermitage, Tennessee. This is the daily recording listing all of the YouTube videos that members of the user-to-user community have uploaded to YouTube in the last 24 hours. All were uploaded on October the 31st. And there will be a listing of each of them in the details below. We are starting something new now that Google Plus is going away. We have to find a different way to handle the video vault, and this is it. So we'd like to thank you for watching, and come back and watch anytime. If you're a member of User2User and you're having a daily event, let me know about it. So that I can subscribe to your channel and be sure and get it into both the daily summary, the day it happens, and get it into the video vault so that people have a chance to know what you've been doing. And it's a chance for all the members to keep up with what other members are doing. Thanks for watching.